In this video, I will show you how to delete a place on Google Maps. First, you want to launch open Google Maps on your device. Now tap on the search bar and here you want to search for the location that you want to delete. Once you have found the business or place you want to remove, tap on that. Now you want to open its information page, then scroll down and find the option of suggest and edit, tap on that. Now you want to tap on the option place is closed or not here, tap on that. Now choose the option that best describes the issue. Then you want to tap on the submit option. If you want to add some photos, you can do that as well. After completing this, you want to tap on the submit option. Google will now review your submission, and if the request is approved, the place will be removed or updated. This review process may take a few days depending on the type of edit. Keep in mind that Google reviews all edit requests before making changes, so submitting a request does not guarantee that the place will be removed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.